Mom, tell her she can't put gross green peppers on the whole pizza. It's ruining it.
All right, you two, what's the problem?
It's not gross. You just want everything your way. You never want to do what I want to do anyway, because your ideas are always bad.
All right, turn the volume down, corner teammates. Nobody is ruining the pizza. What we have here is a classic math problem.
Mom, it's the weekend. No math.
Too late, it's already happening. Look at the pizza. Ben, you want pepperoni? That's 1/2. Lily, you want peppers? That's 1/3. Can we add a half and a third together just like that?
No, the bottom numbers are different. Exactly. They don't match. You two are looking at each other right now like two completely different fractions.
Ben, you think Lily is just a quiet art kid who gets in your way. Lily, you think Ben is just a loud sports kid who doesn't care about you. You're focusing on how different you are.
Because we are different. She likes painting, I like soccer. We have zero things the same.
In math, when fractions are different, we don't throw them away. We look for the common denominator. We find the thing they both share underneath so they can finally come together.
You two think you have a different denominator, but you forget what's underneath. Who made both of your hearts?
God.
God did. And whose family do you both belong to?
Ours.
Ours. Your common denominator isn't soccer or art, Ben. Your common denominator is love. It's faith. It's the fact that God chose you two to be team members for life. When you start from the place of I love my sister because she's my sister, suddenly it's much easier to solve the problem on top.
Hey, we both like extra cheese, right? Yeah, a lot of extra cheese. Okay, that's our common denominator. How about we do your peppers on 1/2, my pepperoni on the other half, and triple cheese across the whole thing?
Deal. Let's do it.
Look at that. Problem solved, fractions added, and dinner is saved. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yay, we did it. Cheese time.
Perfect teamwork.